Hey guys, welcome back to SPB Creative. This Ashwati. In last few of my videos, many of you guys have been asking me about my nails. How did I grow my nails so fast? And the truth is that they are fake nails. So I thought that I will do a video on it. So the very first thing we need is fake nails. So I've got this from Amazon. Actually, it retails for 330 rupees, but I got it in good discount. I got it for 250 rupees, but then it retails currently at 277 rupees. Still, I think it's affordable because we get 200 nails, which is quite a lot, and the quality is pretty good as well. Next thing we need is glue, because we do not get any glue with the fake nails. We have to buy it separately. So I've got it from Miss Claire, and it's a great glue. It retails for 299 rupees. It might be slightly expensive, but then it works perfectly, so it's fine. Next thing we need is a nail polish remover, nail filer, and a scissors. Okay, so first what we need to do is we need to clean our nails using nail polish remover. Even if we haven't applied any nail polish, it's better to clean the nails with the nail polish remover, so that if there is any dust or something like that, dust or dirt or anything like that, it will remove that. So we'll just clean with the help of a cotton pad, and then we can take the nails from that packaging. So it has got 6 compartments, and in not 6, actually 12 compartments, and each compartment they have a particular size nail. So we have to first place this fake nails to our original nails and see how it matches when it comes to size. Length may not be perfect, but then we can trim it out, and that would be absolutely fine. So make sure that you keep that curved one, right? That curved one is there, no, that to our that fake nail to our original nails, and then see if it fits properly, especially that width, not the length. Okay, and once it fits properly, make sure that you keep that fake nail to your nails and see how much length you need. So whatever extra is there, cut it out with the help of scissors. It's better to cut it out with the help of scissors rather than nail cutter or anything like that, because it works better. It's easier, actually. Cutting with scissors is much easier than cutting with nail cutter. And once I have got the measurement, I've taken the measurement for one nail, and then I'll be keeping it as the base and cutting off other nails. And in that way I have trimmed the excess length of the nails very fast. In just like 2 or 3 minutes it was done, actually. And you can definitely cut out these nails as per the shape you want. I have cut it out straight because that's what I like, but then if you want to cut it out in a almond shape, you can cut it out straight and then just shape it with a what we call it as nail filer or nail cutter. It's up to you guys. So I have taken 5 pair of nails, fake nails, and I've cut it out in the proper length as well. So I have cut out all the nails, and now what we need to do is very simple. We need to just take a nail filer. If you do not have nail filer, you can find the same in the nail cutter as well, and just rub that nail filer on top of your nails. Why? Because it creates a hard surface, and that would help the fake nails to stick even more better. So I feel that if it is smooth surface, it wouldn't stick as much as great as the like a rough surface. I hope you understood. So after that we need to take the glue, and the best part is that this glue is like a nail polish itself, so we can apply it very easily. Some glue comes in a tube shape, so it doesn't spread evenly to our nails, which is something I do not like. So this has got the nail polish type of brush, so we can apply the glue very easily to our nails. So once you have applied this glue, take the fake nail and then just place it over the nails. Okay, here definitely if you want, you can just trim your original nails, and you can push the cuticles as well. Even if you do not do that, it's perfectly fine. It works perfectly in that way as well. After that, just stick the nails very well, and make sure that you hold it maybe for like 10 to 20 seconds. That's something very, very important. You need to hold it very tightly for almost 10 to 20 seconds so that it sticks very well. So you have to repeat the same for all the nails. So it might be little time consuming process, but then trust me guys, it lasts for almost 1 week, which is something quite surprising for me. I think uh, I mean, it's because of the glue as well. Glue as well as nails, both are pretty good. That's the reason it would last for 1 week. But then, if you are someone like me who works a lot in kitchen, who does a lot of household work, it might last for just 3 or 4 days, 3 days maximum. But if you do not work a lot in kitchen, do not do a lot of household, it is gonna last for 1 week. That's what I noticed. And then I'll be applying the fake nails to my right hands as well. So since I'm right-handed, it would be little difficult for me. I think it's the same for everyone. It would take more time, but then it works. So repeat the process till you finish off all the nails. Now to smooth out the edges of this fake nails, I have used a nail filer and then shaping it, else it would be very sharp. So make sure that you shape it or smooth it using a nail filer. And then for nail polish, I'll be using Stay Quirky nail polish, with so damn amazing shade, and it suits dusky and deeper skin tone as well. And also it is matte, and it's so trending shade. I absolutely loved it. And one more thing I need to tell you guys is that this nail polish, this or any nail polish, lasts on fake nails much longer than our original nails. So it wouldn't chip as fast as on our original nails. So that's what I noticed. So it would last very well for almost 1 week, if not more. At least this nail paint will last if for very long time. So what you can do is just apply a fake nail and apply this nail polish, and you can store it with the nail paint itself. You need not remove the nail paint, so that you can reuse it with the nail paint, which is great. So once it is done, I'll be applying one more coat so that I get the exact shade, which is so damn gorgeous. And for removing this fake nail, all we need to do is just pull it, and it would come off very fast. And maybe if you want, you can apply a little bit pressure. And as you guys can see, there is a little bit of glue on my nails. So what you can do is just put your fingers, just soak your fingers in lukewarm water, and this glue would go very easily. If you want, you can use a nail polish remover as well. So that's it, you guys. I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, please to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all. Mwah.